Pack sashe ni bi no yi back no yi sardine too me ni Yankopon ani ko fa di perfect room so mabru nua na ye mia we die ye me ni kromfo na me pie mia me fie na ye me ho.
Bishop.
Yeah.
Your own brother.
That's right.
Your family.
That's right. Me nua.
And you say Adam for
me nua.
Bishop Benanyako. Is that how far life took you?
Me kofa. The movie wasn't part of my dream. But Bible says God takes away the first so that he can restore the second. Movie wasn't part of my dream. But when in the moi benya bayaman here because obi kwase sa de medin ko di obi sikama e be fraud be that in sembebre.
Oh no.
One time in TV I made story. Now later you buy say or pe hobby the transfer me fa nko. To nko na wa short ni pa no so me busua pe na me say me mani nyi ho. Me kasa wi ase wo kan say a new star is born. And ukra na me jai community ya I realize say my soul was wandering. I felt like ending it all because say oh mami odo be we ase no bi sa akoso na obi ampe wani mahwe and they were always giving ill and bad report about me obi tu ka che mami ko say wo ba no de be hwe onam ka eti asa na trials aworo omo belt na oba tan odo ne ba se wo ka se chere na uku mami sunsun
exactly
e make catch obi say eniema ode ma fere eniema ye nyina ya fam no se ko san wo biewo a ko ne show se BBC da. That's what my mother said. And I mean, on the mother you are Mommy said, Debbie, I don't need you again.
How did you manage to bring back your mother to your bosom?
I mean, it was too mysterious and divine. Bible says, in the fullness of time, God makes all things beautiful. When I mean, we are not of fast 2 years, the very people that he was working in, almost all the now after we fast for Bani a bomb. When they were telling me, say, you do it, up till now, say, you feel what if footsteps?
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. What if footsteps? Because one time, the outside of me who said, mobile phone, I do not a shop. My question phone, so I won't trade.
Oh, no.
I mean, I'm going to have footsteps around the house. And the dog will not back it. Kramano, a podi, adinechi. Nje someone boy say oh eno anko na dey maame van no amode air pure water no e no for dead body na oyobi a wanya accident we be so that some bomb pies so begun sam you didn't know it this thing came into the house it was hunting us na ewiase bibia ye mpaibo because a disturb your imagine say I will end with him because they me yase or him Paul and Namfam, then quite ponkoso, very painful.
Yeah.
In my own very eyes. Many color coton and a bar, rubber on the mighty D. None of them ma a rigere in Chinafra.
Jesus.
If I be dandelion with the shoe go and dandelion, and one of them sa, Emilia Maria and Menya. There's no food in the house for me to eat with my kids. That's why when I'm acting, I shed tears because these are some of the things that me kai. Na a balance also I'm humble more. I also learned when you are in crisis, you get to know your true friends.
Yes.
A lot of people are me fabuchi buy wages car, we bejibushia. Me kwa we hear me, all of them turn their back to me.
Jesus.
And they are the very people who are saying bad things about me. To me, so let me be someone say. We are seeing and no man the beer, me born of the shame cry. Mentias you, that song. Or say, addition of feminine quarter poncos because me who say, and yet normal. And the age was sleeper to one they were against my brother because someone who say, I dear no normal. And now, me mama still lose total control because honestly no more hypnotizing. Spiritually, no more the mama question that here. The name mama kasa and some me catch mama no nyanse mo a bakache mama. The mama that also started say okay se me. The idea me say be sombia no na ye no me. because na zibabi abejuna between me and my mother. And I said to myself, say, Kwame, what are you fighting for? Now I see a man who pure water sashi me no the bar bunkole be sending me a petua somewhere. Up to now, so to show me take cow me. I mean, up to now, I'm to say, there's some simple fracture. Na kasa nyemu no many a barrier be project be a year na me can do kwa de no ko police case can have me tua for na gana me to be tua bio police for it at time and one time be me wana me peace am suppose for me park car before the no be so catch me say we so ba na ye call or catch police for say me ofie omomra
aye your brother no my girlfriend no
that's right.
Please, if you show now,
that's right.
For phone, after please for say you are there
because
so they should come and
no person be free if you go. Now, yeah, you know, so your warm, your sir, or warrior, and be go very sharp, papa. Mr. Trust this, it be never be on some son who have 17 no, may son a saw me hasa. And me has said there's a mark, and it tramia and blood was oozing out of. My here now, and me see for them far. I part of forest more. I'm to Tumre man and be PMA road and far car coy. The question I asked myself since a dear bonnet and a my a near be an person in your being never been a tito. Na a brabono, baku to me more. Tears in ped, that's your name. And to me, I counted all joy, say a bass. I'm going to put in the money good here. I say a bass. For now, no. I've learned a lesson. I also realized that this life, if you want to go fast, you go alone. But if you want to go far, you go with somebody. You say, when you know, a man soon, no one call.
Free feel. Or no, man, intend to say.
No friend, my say, go over back, but my say, never again.
The storm is over.
Yeah, never again.
So, Wakumemuno, have you forgiven him? Because based on somehow kind he's done you a lot of harm than good. Have you forgiven him?
Very chair, but let me hear from one another.
Why the tears in your eyes?
The tears in my eyes, you know. Then you know, I said, I've seen it all. My fajam, my double asoda. Maybe you may put for the Pamia and Kodasa Metri. I'm mad at you. The tears in my eyes and say, per se, if you are nippy, I would see no tears, yes, sir. A home brave, a walk around now, you could find free Christ maid or bar now. The boss, the madam couldn't have virgin no have scattered the beer. A home brave, what in a home brave, a dream, the dink of what say, be able to within the pan. Abafem. But the back say you cannot fight the righteous. Because Bible say you don't sabe can David no. Na sacrifice the kushia. I count it all joy say Saturday na buy no a share me din. E ma meeting once say this is it. Me sign shirt yes just because me niaji the reason being that enye me ni ya akwan du na me do be so be do yi. Ba pam fifie no. Already share me, no share me. And me share me ye, you only any pabia. I already dumbia and damn so from me na yem. Like any baby per se, come a bottom my brabo basana, saying all sorts of things about my life. Amen. Because man proposes, but God disposes. Bible says many are the devices of man, but nevertheless, or say nevertheless, it is only the counsel. Nobody can take the great credit. It is him alone.
That's right.
I give the praise. You know me. Me na we obiano. I don't. Me begrudge no. No one me come to car for now I have cars. One me come to car. See can get to have money. Nyame share the money proudly for. He meant evil, but the Lord made it good.
Well, he meant evil, but God meant good. I know you are touched. You see, the stars have their stories. A lot has been going on. Mijidi se ene bishe berenyako washi won crying. Me wo eye nana apia wa hase nana. What's the bishop as a mina? Watch it in the red at that. Nana, if it were to be you, Kabede, in your own mother's house.
Let me say, that was it. As mommy tea, I can't make them a friend. Say, open Bombia, a guy, the papa, the your hand about, and no from me, they be going to cool. You come as the news that the children with you, some mammy, men can't of course be in good hands. Send me a million. But some of fee, I was many penny. Mamma was so hot. Is it there? I will say Japan here. My name penny for and for you conscious. Is it there? TM. What can you and Munina? I am more back was say, Macopa Japan.
You are standing against you.
My mother cursed me. May a suffer, a man so, or a soft D4 bar, and so the man I was asking. Emma may say, Malinja and Yari, may I make a major party? And to go in the group, and if you know, or the or any more to Muscat, but and Kratasum, any judgment than yet minton. Indiana, may I make me pa? Yeah, I said a best solve issues in your house at that. I said, a bishop can have been through a lot. We can ask them what you see. Life for no. Yamia some kind of defense, and many are the afflictions of the righteous. Many. Many loots all the bay Marco 100, and I dear baby, and I dear bear 1,000, and I dear bear me and son, and also see many. A big dear no, it's me 100 series or better Musa, it me a season. 3 months be just an wanted and I said a wish of okay. No, maybe a new bit to clonide. You have to go and bed. Now I'm on she was now who know any part. Say your down at your town. So maybe something I told me it was a mention about it because for me, even as a pastor, I came to the point there was some called Indian.
Oh my God.
Indian, say a priest to seek help. A word doom. Men come baby, but a word doom. All because I became so frustrated in life that I needed power, ministry wise, and then because one of my yes, sorry, I say. Because of that property, as for starting, I was saying, me jai because when I'm a pastor church, and a neighbor crowd, I was saying, because one of my fight at them. Today, I was saying, as well, my so that Tom Kunya or Tom Minister and Kunya, pulpit, everything. So go on your own, go and start your ministry. So
for me, Chawano, Ebusian 4, everyone has a story to share. Na and then me who dream me say oh bakra be ka bibi e dey abese bishop on Christ say
me ka be yes
dia wo kra no so no wa fam no
dia fam no
na je say wiase kra wo no okugu seko no ya na enye adamfo anasa wo hobo bi keke o our own parents and our own family. Wow. Abusia for ye jenkra to aba ye ba ye beto aso nkomo foforo so asha se e ha ye okuku seku the talk show
ayo na se demo ana me yire amen pabu abia me ko ba bi what say fro de akogu ba bi mi bisa na gina oto ato an
ama na nu be ba kasa sa are
ofa onye be ma si oda na ho krom kwa no be hwehwehwe wo ye be ma
problem bi o so ga
that's why
I do not tell you. We fuko men eba powder. Unia, u sabi. Atemape, ne fa buku bensu nam. Hwe, ebe yu sisi mama men. Be da fenko. Adubi, go. Danso. Hey, osoja. Hey, mu jare. Ha, me yiri na yese o jare mi o. Amampa.
Manyi mo biji.
Foko men herbal powder. And then make it enough.
Men what if you do what you do kwan efa.
And Foko herbal mixture. Malaria. So what matter? I want you no more and one.
We have malaria test the bi omua numbi enkratwe FDA agiatum.
Foko nyawa here yali. Open the bank one man for that.
Onam nyadia yes ready p. Entini pempi papa bia sana me djumbe joma.
Onam pa nie.
Onam
Hey, sister. Hey, wait one more to chama. Oba me pacho. Nkube na.
Honampa. Obiara hwehwe se obenya honampa. Nanso honampa de yensre. Nemom obenya bi wasase so heya. Esan se enuanunu bi te se aloe vera, olive oil, vitamin A, and vitamin E. Any enuanura who drop here, a boama honam no eye trum ne a yinki kawo bia e free honam neni. Emma wunya stretch marks, anana and so baby. Say enuanunu we mu nyina and a perfect skin and body therapy. A carbon ediaye perfect honampa body lotion. Perfect honampa body lotion. Kokosra tuntumsra. Perfect honampa body lotion. So wo pebiata, ubenya bi wo baby o moton nkubia. Perfect honampa body lotion. Strabi nenya honampa.
Ebusia for me sanso emamo akwa baby wani guso a wo hwe okuku seku the talk show. Enne enkomo no aye arehosem aye afutusem. Ye tutu ye hofo ye share experience. Na apia to our seven so.
As an American, I may be similar. Bishop de Yesu. Nti na ni nua bema koba we papa. Nanso obi obebata no no. Awe oba. Na oba na so ni process isu dia chen say asumesi obebata wo nua.
Na ye oba ni huni pakeke oba ne papa.
Oba ne papa. Let's just say there's a asem there's a kaninu na die ko innocent.
He got influence.
Enti no nipa na ye pese omo ba ya akọ emrese ye nya ni da ho a. Obewie no na eye nse bebre. Ena tu ni nua abeka bishop. But oye ni nua na Bible so pese be bia enefo pese asomdue remember say how pleasant and sweet it is when brothers dwell in unity, for their God commands his blessing. A be a for it's now. I won't come Yamember in shit about no area. Obana man, the same Yamema, not picture. Now, affliction is in the age, you know. Yamia good, which means that Yamin the end, even from the beginning. But Bishop didn't know. But Yamu so Yamia is also need the radiant. Obey me high, because at the end of the day,
there'll be glory.
The glory will come back to him. And to say, and we do more. And my year, how high people. All that we need is to be able to trust, and trusting is not easy. Like Job said, you know, even if I yet will I trust him. Yet will I trust him. The year say, giant children. Cares God and die. I say, a buyer and a weird day. Now we have to embrace. So I believe that in this life, both bad and good, there's a positive and a negative. And even the plugs, you know, you get contacts like electricity. But the bad ones comes to shape us. Because there's something about the olive oil. And some of the olive oil, just say, yeah, BT. You beat it, you press it, and our life is like pouring out. And when you know that Joseph, you meant it for evil, but God meant it for good.
Oh my days.
I was a bishop who said, you know, and then ultimately says in the book said, and then workers, you know, no pain, no gain. If you don't have a test, you won't have a test.
Well, Nana Pia Joseph will say, no pain, no gain. God meant glory. Bishop, you have so many people who admire you, your role models, the youth, most of them looks up to you. We're inspired. A dear some and a walker, a dear Jow fans, and you'll be or shall be a or more beer.
The kind, you know, kind of say. one of the things that kill vision here, complacency. At the point in time I became so complacent and me relaxing. But they do maybe God will decide to take you out of your comfort zone. So even if it takes your mother crown or then be my pain free war. It's in the meaning recently who said God use him to force me into my destiny. On one two power mameno. And I don't see him as an enemy, but me who say or an instrument or a tool. I go for man me where I'm the destiny. There are a lot of places in my heart to forgive him. Maybe they are channel. Maybe Obia so bet team and not to say make us or maybe I'm prepared to receive him as a brother. And maybe Obia and Bobia, I'll help him. And then they make kind of say the who could be out of tears. She said there's light at the end of the tunnel. And yes, as your friend said, already away a bonny now Nana Giant Tiama so said Debbie and your bonny and Nana Giant said the Bayer when you go point you it reveals what is in you and it toughens you. For now, may a tough. Like I said, I speak with authority because I've been there before. Me shoot from my heart because I've seen it all. The maker to be honest, Bible says, weeping may endure for a night, but joy shall come in the morning.
Yo, weeping may endure for the night, but joy will come in the morning. And then we more quiet, my dear, and then Okuku Seku the talk show no. ABC. Meaning so be out here, me no. Bishop story, I show him crying. Nana Pias more kind at our coma so. One she ya, wow, near Burma, wow, mammy, a bay Okuku Seku, ewa brabum. Bibia ye bay no, ye mean me, a neat ye nimo kind. Na young fabone and che. Yankopa ya doma dasene. Ye besan ehia nansa na mekono maybe asibeka se be ma Bishop Benanyako say ye tonsa frona obaye Nana Pia Joseph from Black Ghana say we be support program yi Meda Black Ghana Limited as say for our sweet green grass decor and our face signature salon for my makeup and the diamonds are forever closet for my costume. Bishop Benim say we a great singer aside say u preachy any motivational messages we would love you to give us one song now for the program now baby.
Yeah, I would love to sing a number Save Me That Day from Killing Myself by Kojentri. Sika menyebia aboche mankobia. Listen to this part. Minko kumiwo oho enkwa ni abutre enunkwa na yemi
ni adomna etinkwama yebesenhia mi a me di dwumade ho chia me yefami Emilia Brobe obetimi afami Queen Ems emi adoma yebesenhia.